Once upon a time, in a small, drought-stricken village, life had become a constant battle for survival. The land was parched, crops had withered, and the rivers that once danced through the valley had dried up. Hope was a rare and fragile thing. Among the villagers was a humble farmer named Arun, known not for his wealth or strength but for his unwavering belief in the power of persistence. One day, Arun found a single seed in a forgotten corner of his barn. It was small, unimpressive, and appeared lifeless, much like the state of the land around him. Why plant this seed when nothing grows here anymore? Others questioned him. The soil is barren, and the sky is unforgiving. But Arun simply smiled and said, "Every great tree begins with a single seed. Even in despair, there is a chance for renewal." With that, Arun took the seed and planted it in the driest patch of earth he could find. Day after day, he watered it with the little water he could spare, shielding it from the harsh sun with his hands, whispering to it words of encouragement. Weeks passed, and nothing happened. His neighbors mocked him, calling him a fool for wasting his efforts. But Arun refused to give up. He believed in that seed as much as he believed in the power of small acts of faith. One morning, as the first light of dawn kissed the earth, a tiny green sprout emerged from the soil. Arun's heart swelled with joy. It wasn't much, but it was proof that life could still find a way, even in the harshest of conditions. The sprout grew slowly, but it grew nonetheless. Over time, its roots dug deep, finding hidden pockets of moisture beneath the ground. It became a sturdy tree, offering shade to animals and birds, its branches a testament to the strength that comes from resilience. Inspired by Arun's determination, other villagers began to plant seeds too. They tended to the soil, pooled their resources, and worked together to revive the barren land. What was once a village on the brink of despair became a thriving community of lush greenery and hope. Years later, a child asked Arun, "How did you know that tiny seed would grow into something so great?" Arun smiled and replied, "I didn't know. I simply believed." Sometimes, belief is the water that nourishes the seeds of change. This story reminds us that even in the darkest of times, a single act of faith, persistence, and hope can spark a transformation. All it takes is someone willing to plant the first seed. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen this story. If it resonated with you, I'd love for you to like, share, and comment below. Your thoughts mean the world to me, and I'm eager to hear how this story touched your heart. Let's continue spreading inspiration together. Your support makes it all possible.